The perfect PPF. Does it exist, guys? Let's find out. All my years in quest to search a right PPF for my brand and market, I find out the hard way there is no such thing as a perfect PPF. Let's understand the characteristics of PPF, or what does a customer wants from a PPF. He needs a good self-healing, he needs a good clarity, a very superficial shine, gloss, and most important, the protection. If I am going for a thicker PPF, I reduce the clarity, and as such, if PPF is thin, I reduce the protection what are my customer looking for. If I increase the self-healing coating, I reduce the stain resistance, which is not good for my India market. If I am increasing the glue, it gives an orange peel in the finish. So there is no such thing as a perfect PPF. I need to always do a balance between developing a right PPF for your needs. That is why in Aegis we have varieties of PPF with all the kind of different thickness. If you are looking for a right PPF for your car, talk to the expert, find out what is your niche, where do you drive, what are your conditions, and what kind of PPF serves the best purpose for you. Happy PPFing.